roses. It's Olena from OlenaRosanne. I'm back again with another video. This one will be an unboxing. I have two to do, but we're going to start with one. And one of them is a package I've had for almost a week now. Let me get it open. Okay, so this one is from FENETI. And if you don't know anything about FENETI, make sure you take a look at the description box. You can follow FENETI Woman there on Instagram, also on Amazon. This particular package is from FENETI on Amazon, and I am so proud of FENETI herself. We've been following each other for years now, okay? Years. This is what we have. This is her Luxe bonnet. Number one, I'm so happy for her, you guys. You have no idea. For her to be making bonnets, clearly, because it says Luxe Bonnet. This is super exciting. So if you can see through the package here, you already know this is made with Ankara fabric. She gets A+ for packaging because this is in a, like a Ziploc bag. You don't have to worry about anything getting all on it. It's perfectly fitting in here. It's not in a package that's too small or too big. She even has a tag. Oh my goodness. I'm so proud of her, you guys. You just don't even know. Look at the colors. Turquoise and yellow. It is beautiful. The other thing I notice here is this is satin lined, and look at the color satin she chose to put inside. Look at that blue. Is that not royal? And there's even a tag in the inside. This is so professional, and it says Luxe Bonnet. Now looking at this, you almost think, ooh, I can maybe wear this inside out. Well, you could if you don't want to fully protect your hair, because the main reason for the satin inside is to protect your strands, and the best way to do that is with silk or satin, right? So to have a bonnet that already has two things that I love, which is satin on the inside and African print on the outside. Double-sided. I also like the fact that there's an elastic band. It's not a giant thick elastic band that will snap against your edges. And yes, we have edges all the way around, all the way in the back too. So I love how she made this. The stitching is perfect. You guys, I gotta try it on, right? Now I know I have my hair in a bun. We can take it out of the bun too, but let's go ahead and try this on. Okay. So look at that. All that room up there to fit your hair, if in case you want to have your hair in a bun or whatever. You can have a ponytail on top of your head. You have enough room. So I love that. Goes over my ears nicely. It's not snug to the point where I'm going to get a headache. It's snug to the point where it's not going to fall off my head while I'm in the bed. So now that I've done that, let's take this down. Y'all, I need to do something to my hair, but for the point of this video, let's take this hair down a little bit. Take it down, fluff it out just a little bit, just so you guys can see what it looks like once, if your hair is down. Let's say you've done a twist out or something like that and you want to put your Luxe bonnet on. Well, this is what you'll do. You'll just take your Luxe bonnet, place it on top of your head, tuck those ends in so they're nice, safe, secure, and protected. And there you go. Y'all see that? Everything is covered. I can feel my hair back here. Plenty of room see what this looks like in mirror. Oh, I love it. Y'all, what y'all think? I mean, this is how you go to bed in style. So anyway, make sure you check down in the description box so you can get information on getting your own Luxe Bonnet. You can order it on Amazon, you guys. So yes, if you have Amazon Prime, this is perfect. That's the way I received mine. And this is in the style Empress. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my goodness, this gets an A+. It's so comfortable. Just imagine you doing stuff around the house in your Luxe Bonnet. I mean, it's beautiful. So anyway, thank you, FENETI. Make sure you guys follow FENETI Woman on Instagram. Make sure you check out her store on Amazon and get you one. Tell her OlenaRosanne sent you, okay? Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you roses later. Bye.